Task number 5, we have a networking tool, ping. At this stage, hopefully, all the theory has made sense and you now understand the basic models behind computer networking. For the rest of the room, we're going to be taking a look at some of the command line networking tools that we can use in practical applications. Many of these tools do work on other operating systems, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to assume that you're running Linux for the rest of this room. Yes, we are running Linux. The first tool that we're going to look at will be ping command. The ping command is used when we want to test whether a connection to a remote resource is possible. Usually this will be a website on the internet, but it could also be for a computer on your home network if you want to check if it's configured correctly. Ping works using the ICMP protocol, the Internet Control Message Protocol, I believe. Yeah. Internet Control Message Protocol for reporting errors and performing network diagnostics, which is one of the slightly less well-known TCP/IP protocols that were mentioned earlier. The ICMP protocol works on the network layer of the OSI model and does the internet layer of the TCP/IP model. The basic syntax for ping is ping and then the target. In this example, we are using ping to test whether a network connection is to Google is possible. And here we see that it is possible. Here the highlighted is the IP of Google, basically is the address, the Internet Protocol address of Google. But with the magic of DNS, we only have to remember Google. Notice that the ping command actually returned the IP address for the Google server that is connected to, rather than the URL that was requested. This is a handy secondary application for ping, as it can be used to determine the IP address of a server hosting a website. One of the big advantages of ping is that it's pretty much ubiquitous to any network-enabled device. All operating systems support it out of the box, and even most embedded devices can use ping. Have a go at the following question. Any questions about syntax can be answered using the manual pages for ping, which we can see we learned about this man command. Answer the questions below. What command would you use to ping the BBC website? Let's go here. We copy the address and we just say ping and we paste the following address. There you go. Packets are sent and received. Here you can see also the same protocol that was mentioned, ICMP. Right here we see the IP of the server. So it's ping. There you go. Ping the following website. What is the IPv4 address? Again, this will be pretty easy. Same command, ping, boom, and let's close that. Okay. What switch lets you change the interval of sent pings? I believe is -C. No, I forgot that one. Okay. Let's search for that. Man ping. Let's say grep. Maybe we find something. Actually, I will not say change. I will say interval. Wait interval seconds between sending each packet. So is -I. What switch would allow you to restrict requests to IPv4? The question is weird to me because the way this is formulated, I understand, give me the switch that blocks, in other words, IPv4 addresses. Okay. What switch would give you a more verbose output? Usually this is V in any tool. Awesome.